this season. This is a good run from Damons. Now needs a good touch. He's away. He's got a chance. Kuda saves. Damons with a follow-up. Swallows are in the lead.
Just always gives the attacking team in that situation a little bit of an advantage because you don't know what they planned in training. You'll just be reacting.
Chance on the back post. Is that the equaliser? Yes, it is. Yeah, they've got numbers forward. Towards the back post, Ngonyama's there. Chance for Keegan Allen. Goal! Right on the back post. And it's Bongani Sam.
Mamelodi Sundowns idlulele kuma-semi-finals omqhudelwano we-CAF Champions League nokuyinto eyagcina ukuyenza ngo-2016. Amasandawana manje azobhekana neqembu eliyingozi laseMorocco Wydad Casablanca. Marumo Gallants idlulele kuma-semi-finals.
I-Sundowns igcine ikwazile futhi ukuphinda izibeke emathubeni okunqoba isicoco se-CAF Champions League ngokwehlula iqembu lase-Algeria emlenzeni yomibili yalomqhudelwano. Emlenzeni oqala yanqoba ngamagoli 4 kwelilodwa ekhambeni, kanti lapha ekhaya inqobe ngamagoli 2 kwelilodwa. Lokhu kunyuse amathuba okuphinda umlando yawenza ngonyaka ka-2016 ngaphansi komqeqeshi uPitso Mosimane. Ngaleso sikhathi uRuran Mokwena wayesengumsizi wakhe. uMokwena uthi abadlali bakhe bakwazile ukunqanda ubungozi beCR Belouizdad nebanika ubunzima esombeni sokuqala salomdlalo.
We were closer to scoring than they were, and I thought we were in control. The only disappointment of the first half is the extra 5 minutes after they scored.